Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will tell you how we can use the MC and MCR command in Mitsubishi PLC. Master control and master control reset command in Mitsubishi PLC. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. This way you will be never miss my upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, I will open my MailSoft GXWorks 2 software, and here, for example, double click, and after we will use X0 and click enter, and next we will choose MC and space. Nesting he asks for example N0, and any internal memory array you can choose, for example M20 I will choose, and click enter. And in next row, for example, we will take X1, and out we will use, for example, Y0, and in next row we will take for X2, and out we will choose for Y2, and X3 for example we will choose next, and Y3 we will choose, and in the last end we will choose the instruction MCR and give space. After N0 you can choose, and then click it OK, and compile this program and write to the PLC. Let's finish this one first. After I will explain you what's the meaning of this MCR and MC. Close this dialog, and this also close, and we will make it monitor mode on. And now see, X0 for example is our sensor, or is our any look like breaker means any. For example, simple example, when you are using the, for example, in a building some breaker DP, and after you put that main breaker, after you put 20 or 30 lights look like yani this is Y0, Y2, Y3, Y4 or any, and after you need to be, when this on this breaker, after you need to be execute the next lights to run. If your breaker is for example off, your outputs needs to be don't run. So this simple master control loop is look like working. An example, when you are using in the program, for example some special programs any which any signal or any sensor, for example when make it any signal coming in emergency condition, after your some program look like where you like to be stop this execution and complete program like to be stopped. This when this signal coming, after this program inside which is the working of MC and MCR control loop will be never run. Signal may be coming, but output will be never execute. So see, as I give the, for example, this X0 monitoring, we already I think so start. For example, I give the signal at X1. This is our first bit, for example Y0 is our first motor or some. See, I am giving the X0 signal, but my Y0 is not on because of there is a x0, our master control is not on. When you make this one on, after our inside the program will be run. X2 if you run, Y2 also not run. X3 if you run, your Y0 will be never run. But as you gives the signal at X0, after your master control loop will be active. And when you give the signal at X0, see your Y0 will be on. Or if you give the X2 signal, your Y2 will be also on. And if you give the X3 signal, your Y3 will be on. And for example, if you remove the signal of X0, your output will be immediately stopped, because this signal is maybe emergency, or how you design this logic in the program. As you remove the signal X0, after your complete program will be stopped. And as the signal will be again come, after your output will be energized. If your signal is have continue, your program will be execute, or your output will be also execute. If not have output input, your only just main is on. When your signal will become, after your program will be running, or your which relay you like to be make it active, this will be active. But as when this your X0 signal will be removed, your output will be stopped. So this is the function of how much lines you will make in the inside of this master control loop, where you put this line MCR and 0 after your program will be stopped. And for example, this program I will make it go to the online, stop monitoring, and here edit mode, write mode. And for example, here I will put X4 for example, and here I will put Y4, and I will put this MCR is here, and make it go to the online and write to the PLC. Sorry, I not compile this one. First we have to be compile the program, and after you can write to the PLC. Execute. Wait for a second. And click it yes, and close this one, and also close this one, and go to the online and go to the monitor mode and start monitoring. And you'll see this is X4. I will give the signal at the X2 for example. See this X2, Y2 is not on. X3, Y3 is not on. But as I give the signal at X4, you can see this Y4 is now on. Is because of our MCR command is how much length? Up to the 10. But here X1 or X2 will be not run. But when I give the signal at X0, X0 is now see running. After you can execute the X2 also, X1 also you can be execute, and X3 also will be run. So it's the easiest way to the use this master control loop, and you can use in your program for safety purpose. If you not understand about this command, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.